welcome to the channel. And today we're gonna talk about how to get your first software developer job. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how I got there. I went to college. My freshman year I decided to drop out of college because one, it was expensive. Two, I was international student, so the cost was expensive for me to go back home and renew my visa. So I decided that I'm just gonna drop out of college and then find a way to get a job. But you need to have a goal. So let's go in the computer. Let's go inside. Let's go on the computer. Is it on or in? Okay, let's go check the computer. Let's go. Let's go. If you like what I'm wearing, please go and check Faith Love Africa. That's my brand. And you need to have a plan. Like I said, I dropped out of college and then I started learning on YouTube. But I joined that boot camp. It's called the Tech Academy. You have 12 months, and at the end of the 12 months, they will assign someone to you that will prepare your resume for you, that will do like interview for you just to prepare you for a job. And also LinkedIn, they will see what you can change on your LinkedIn just to help you to get a job. But also you need to start like building small projects. For me, I decided to do clothing brand because that's what I like to do. I like to design stuff, and as a Christian I like to show my faith to other people and also show people like where I'm from. I'm from Africa, and I want people to know where I'm from. So I put that into it, and I created my brand. I created the website that already showed my side of, oh, I can design things. I can design websites. You can start something else, something small, just to showcase it. But join that. Click the link below for the referral that I have, and this is how my resume look. This is what they did. They prepare all that for me. They put my skills, the summary, my work experience. As you guys can see, this is where I'm working right now. This is my clothing brand. I use Adobe Photoshop and all those stuff. My programming project, that if you go to my GitHub, you can find those. I can do like editing. You gotta make sure you showcase of all your skills, all the skills that you have. The thing also is, you don't have a degree, so you have to show them that, hey, I don't have the degree, but I have experience. Just to show proof that Tech Academy bootcamp like really work. This is what you get at the end of it. You get a certificate. And I mean, I don't have to show anybody that. It is just in my room, but it's something that shows that you finished the boot camp and you are ready to go. So that's my resume. I'm gonna show you guys my LinkedIn if I can find it. This is how my LinkedIn looks. Someone helped me do that. They went over it and looked through it. That's my name on it. As you guys can see, everything there. You go, you read about me. Everything is there. My experience, my college that I went to, and make sure you have a recommendation. And if you go to that boot camp, they will really help you write a good recommendation. So here is my recommendation, and yeah. So I started applying for job, but because my LinkedIn, I got my first job through LinkedIn because someone reached out to me and told me about this insurance company. They are a Christian insurance company, and I'll be a good fit for it because of my clothing brand. It's a Christian clothing brand, and they really like people that do Christian stuff because they are a insurance to church or to pastor and all that. So because of what I started really helped me get my first job, and I am making 68,000, guys, like without a degree. I just got raised last Friday. Now I started 65,000. For some people it is small, but for me, I don't have experience. I never have anything. I used to work in a factory. 68,000, that's a lot. I don't know if you guys can see, but if this can be zoomed in, I'm not too sure if you can see, but if not, I'm just trying to show you guys proof that if you work hard, if you stick to those plans, that's my plan. Get a software developer job. I have all those plans and I work on it. I put it on my phone. I put it everywhere I go to remind me that, hey, if I'm trying to do something else, hey, no, come back here so you can get this goal. Come back here so you can get this goal. I didn't get to buy a house, but at least I get one thing on that list that I am proud of to get that job. So make sure you find a boot camp that you got that will take part of you coding, because they will teach you how to code. And also it is full stack, so they'll teach you everything. They'll teach you Python, C#, everything that you want to learn. And on your own time, you can go on YouTube and watch how people like create like a clock. You can do it with C# and you add that to your GitHub and you start doing things like that. That's how your coding skills will go up. But still, don't forget to have a project that will link to your experience or your skills with coding. I have a clothing brand. How can my clothing brand links to my skills with coding? I can change the front end using HTML. I can change it with CSS. I can design with Photoshop. I can do things like that. So you have to showcases or things like that. Yes, it's good to focus on just like coding, but you need those projects that can help you get there. I got to my first job, and guess what? They have to train me all over again because they are using different program languages. So I have to learn everything zero, and that's the thing, you learn as you go. Once you get a job, then you start learning. But if you don't get a job, just don't give up. You're gonna keep going. You're gonna keep working hard. Half times you'll be like, okay, I want to take 2 hours just to code. Hands down, you just type code. And okay, I want to take 1 hour to work on this project. That will help me understand how front end works. That will help me understand how back end works and stuff like that. Don't just put your brain into the coding and code Monday to Friday without having anything to show. You have the experience. How are you gonna show someone that you have the experience if you don't have something to show them that, hey, listen, that's my project. That's how I get there. That's what I use. That's my thought, how I started doing it. Then people started to understand it. So to end this video, please like this video, comment if you wanna help me improve, or if you have some information that I missed, you can put that below. And please subscribe to the channel. Go check the rest of my video. I'm gonna have another video up here that's gonna show you guys how to start your clothing brand. So please watch this video, take note, go to the description because I'm gonna leave some link there that's gonna help you start your journey and have your first software developer job and make 65, 68, or more than what I'm making right now. But the goal is to get your first software developer job. So stay blessed and join the community. Let's go, guys. Stay blessed. Bye.